Welcome back to another episode, people. So it's day one of the reserves adventure training weekend. Well, they're only having a day, but they're coming tonight. Be ready for tomorrow morning for a day of fun filled of enjoyment and excitement being provided by yours truly. So I'm down here earlier. There's no one down here at the moment. So what I'm going to do is get my tent put up. We'll walk there actually. I've got my monkeys and parrots in the back. Okay. Picked up the rake because wherever I'm sleeping. Oh no, it's collected loads of water. Let me just quickly sort this out, then I'll set my tent up. So the Bergen and Rocking is Beast Bergen by JJ's. Okay. Hopefully you all know what that's about. It is an expensive Bergen, but it's JJ's, so you get a lifetime guarantee if it breaks. Okay, not through wear and tear. Got my one Tigris tent, walking stick tent, or stick tent. It's up to you. It's got, obviously this has got no tent poles with it, so you have to rely on walking sticks to erect it. Grow up, mate. So quick shout out to Simply Print Swansea, veteran run organisation. Did my t-shirts. I'll put a link below to them, to their website. Fantastic, fair priced. Yeah, that tit there. Just one more look. No further ado, let's get this up. That didn't work. How about now? Took me about 2 minutes to put the tent up. I didn't film it. But the bed I've got in there, let me show you. This is a wire bed thing. I've never used it before in my life. Gonker, I know it's a bit overkill. It is the end of September, going into October. It is a Dutch Army Gonker. I'd rather be too warm than too cold. Here's my full frying pan and my belt kit, and there's my Bergen. So I've got one of those crappy little Euro height pillows. I'm gonna get my wife to drop me down a bigger one. I've got an OEX blow up mat and a heat reflector. Like I said, rather be too hot than too cold. Right, the advance party's just left. They're going to be back up in a couple of hours. I'm now going to get my steak on the go. What I've got on right now is chunky chips cooked in. I can't remember what it's called anymore. Dripping. Got some of this. Mixed vegetables. And a stupidly expensive thick cut of ribeye. And it's not worth that money. It's not even a thick cut. I wouldn't call that a normal cut. But yeah. But that's what I'm going to punch inside my face tonight. So that's going to go on now. Chips, mixed veg, over the fire. Here you go. So it's 20 past 7. Oh, this is struggling to pick me up. Okay. It's getting dark now. I'm going to be meeting the other guys in about 20 minutes. I'm going to call it a night there, and I'll bring you back tomorrow morning, okay? No more filming tonight. Stay classy. I'll do a little spin around in a minute and show you how many guys we've got here. They've just gone out on their little hike that they're doing. It's one of the activities that they wanted to do that we're providing for them. Whilst they're gone, I'm going to prep the firewood again, ready for this evening. So they got some more firewood to cook, to not only cook with, but to have a fire to chill out with on the evening. Also, I've not had breakfast yet. I wanted them to get themselves sorted, so me and Ben square away our breakfast now, punch that inside our face, and then we're going to crack on with today's events and get the targets set up for later on for the little range competition that they got going on. Also need to make a fire pit because we're doing some butterfly fish for their tea tonight, and also got venison stew for those people that don't want fish. Okay, so they are getting spoiled a little bit. Hopefully they'll have full stomachs and it'll all be gone, and everyone's going to be happy. Let me show you around. Nothing too sexual. Bacon, cheese, wraps. Already had a couple of bites, I forgot to film. Apologies. I'm not going to film you watching me eat. This is weird. I'll bring you back when the next eventful thing is going to happen. There, like I said, they're moving around, so we've got to think about when we cut, we're going to do some cutting against. Okay, and then we want to flip it over again. He ain't feeling anything. Okay, it's not about brute force, it's about taking a rock step there. This bit here is going to come more parallel. It will come down to where the badge or his ass is, cut. Having got some just this time in our afterlives. Cut up till his throat. Okay, so what we're left with now. So here's the important bit now. Okay, when you come around here, you just want to hit up to the spine. Okay, as you can see, everything's still intact. So what we want to try and do now is massage. Massage. Get to the spine. It says. start. Feel the ribs then. Okay? See that there? Get behind there. And start massaging. So pushing against the back of the neck. Trying to prise the ribs out. Keeping the meat away from it. So you don't want to be in towards the skin, you want to be on the spine. Pulling the ribs out. Nice and slow. Guts and ribs. Okay. So I'm going to continue right now. So you will get a few bones in there again. Not very many, not rid of the last I believe my fell apart. Someone else wants to use it? I think. So I never wanted to. Yeah, that's right. I've now got full control. You want it on as flat surface as possible. So when you put your boot on there, it's not going to flip it up or rotate it. You want to keep this as still as possible. So when you get all your ember in one area, it doesn't muck it about and break it apart. So let's start again. Smoke, a bit more smoke. Please, someone believe in me. So as you can see, I'm going to take foot off there and let that settle and get my breath back. That's the main important thing. So it looks good. Grass is wet as well. I'm going home now. Fucking head rush. There we go. Woo! That's easy. Out.
It's not easy in my brain. Please go.
Oh, you got it, Sunny. Give us some beans.
Watch me, yeah?
Yeah.
Two eyes.
So you want to be behind it. You want to be in the flat spot. You don't want this to be rolling, fucking rolling everywhere.
So put it through like
Yeah.
Now we're just trying to find the shape for it.
Yeah.
Get it more
that side like
Yeah, and then just
tight. Apply a bit more pressure. Go a bit faster. What a fun-filled, action-packed day we've had. My wife's taken lots of pictures and done a lot of filming whilst I've been doing stuff. I'm kind of hoping I'm going to have some good footage to show you. This is at the end of the video. I know what's going on. This is my outro. We're going to get Red down in a minute. As you can see, I'm back at my little camp area. I don't want to. What is that trying to zoom in for? I was asked you to do that. As you can see, we're at the camp area now. Well, I am anyway. We're still over there as a whole, as a group, but I'm going to end the video here. So what have we done? I'm not sure if I've got the footage to show you, but we have covered a 3 cliffs hike. You know, get the guys out there, get the heart and lungs going, you know, see the beautiful views over the 3 cliffs, 3 Cliffs Bay. Then they come in, they had some lunch, we went into fresh food prep, you know, so they gutting fish, butterflying it, cooking it and eating it with some mixed vegetables that I freshly grown from Lidl itself. And then we had venison stew to end the night with, which one of my mates shot. So fresh meat straight into a stew, and they've been having a fantastic time ever since. So we've done some firelighting in the evening and a shooting competition to end the day with. Cool. Quite a successful day. Got some really good feedback. I'm hoping I got some pretty good. By now, I'm kind of hoping by now I've showed you some really good footage, but I know I'm not sure if I can't even talk, I'm shattered. I'm not sure if everyone wants to be filmed and put onto YouTube, so I need to clarify that. Cool. If you're still here, please like the video, share it with your mates or something. Subscribe maybe if you're not a subscriber, and most importantly, you've been watching Green Valley Outdoors. I'll catch you in the next one.